big or small, fat or round. Hello.
What is up, family?
Today we are going to be doing the Play-Doh challenge.
It's going to hurt really badly. It's going.
Just a second, I'm gonna go get my cup.
Could you be normal for once?
Disclaimer: it is non-toxic.
Play-Doh is
If you're watching, don't sue me.
non-toxic. If this camera would focus. Sit. Yeah, it's right.
The right way.
Oh my gosh, why? Like this thing is not focusing.
Pass the purples. Damn it.
Well, it says non-toxic right there. Okay, let me get the Play-Doh out. Play-Doh. 1 second. I'm gonna set the camera up.
Is this your Play-Doh, Olivia?
Yeah, I bought it. I got it.
Rachel, are you gonna do it? What? I thought we were recording right now.
Camera.
You're not.
Camera.
I'll just send it. It's fine. Okay.
No, you'll send it?
Yeah, I'll send it.
Out of the plagiarism.
It's no big deal.
Okay.
Shut up. The video is still recording.
Okay, here. I can't seem to get this camera to stand.
I'm gonna do it too.
Okay, chill. I'm trying to open this Play-Doh with my teeth.
Give us. Come on.
I'm trying to open the Play-Doh with my
I'll
teeth.
take
No. Open the Play-Doh. Open the Play-Doh.
Come on.
I can't open it. But don't take too much. God, what'd you do to the Play-Doh?
Alright.
Okay.
I'm just woke up, guys.
He's been awake, you read.
Give it to me.
There's a ball.
I'm not eating this whole thing.
How big of a piece are we doing? You don't have to eat the whole thing. Just try.
Okay.
Eating this first.
All y'all are doing it?
So, apparently, I think this stuff has a high content of salt. So it's
I'm gonna read the
super
ingredients.
dry.
Ingredients? Are there no ingredients? Oh, that's nice.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
I guess we're just eating
It says it contains a lot of wheat.
I'm allergic to wheat. Really?
No, you
Yeah.
aren't.
You eat wheat all the time. You just get fat when you do it.
Jeez. I hate you. Alright. So, 3,
I'm going to
2,
regret it.
1. Let's go.
Okay, get away from me. Get away from me. Oh my god, no, he looks like a he looks something from Call of Duty. From zombies.
That's really damn salty.
You think?
Oh, I swallowed it.
Okay.
You forfeit?
No, I ate it. Yeah. I ate it.
Did you actually?
Yeah?
Ew, so why's the ground wet?
Oh, I drooled a little. Yeah.
Did he hide it some? You did not eat the whole thing. Check his pockets.
Fine. Okay.
Okay,
You didn't eat any of it, did you?
I ate a bit. Well,
Yeah. I'm going
Okay.
in for a second bite.
I can't get. I'm sorry. I'm readjusting.
I'm gonna try to take it like a pill. Hope that stops it.
Me too.
Yep, that makes it better.
Yeah, I took a pill.
Okay. Don't eat all of it. Don't eat all of it. You're gonna
Why
make
not?
yourself sick.
Oh, well, look, just do it like this. Just a little bit.
I don't want you throwing up all of my pillows tonight.
You forfeit.
Are you spitting that into your cup?
Is it gonna be me or Rachel?
I think it's gonna be Rachel.
Need to go get more water.
Simeon, you forfeit?
That was the most disgusting.
Why didn't you take it like a pill?
Because I tried and then it got stuck in my throat.
It says it's non-toxic, but
Isn't it done yet?
I still feel like I'm gonna barf.
Contract ain't over yet.
this camera's not focusing at all.
If I'm barfing into that vent.
Okay.
Ew, don't burn my vents.
You need more water?
Can someone get me more Play-Doh? I changed my mind.
Susie?
Yes. Just a tiny piece. I need a tiny piece of yours.
Fine.
Don't take his, now he has less.
No, I don't. I still have this. Wait.
Alright. Get it on this. I'm actually gonna chew it.
Tiny bit left.
Don't chew it.
Play-Doh's up here.
Olivia.
Olivia, come on. Come on, watch out.
Olivia, come on. We get it. It's not toxic.
Non-toxic. It wasn't focusing earlier.
Okay, I'm gonna chew this.
Oh.
It's vibrating.
Ew.
F the world. This really is no.
What do I get if I eat it all?
Don't eat it all.
What do I get if I eat it all?
Likes and subscribers.
It's
Stop recording. Oh.